In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Google Calendar. Let's make your schedule more organized and personalized by customizing your calendar with specific categories. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. In the search results, go ahead and click the link that will take you directly to the Google Calendar homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Enter your email address in the required field and click Next. On the next screen, type in your password. Make sure to double check that you've entered it correctly. Now click Next to proceed. If you're using two-factor authentication, you might need to complete that process as well. Now that you're logged into your Google Calendar, look towards the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a section that says Other Calendars. Beside it, there'll be a little plus sign. Go ahead and click that plus sign to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Create New Calendar. This will open up a new page where you can set up your new category. Here, type in the title of your new calendar. This is essentially your category title, so try to keep it short but descriptive. Once you're happy with your title, click the Create Calendar button. This action will add your new category to your list of calendars that you can view and organize on your Google Calendar. Afterward, click on the arrow on the upper left of the screen to return to your main calendar view. Now it's time to see your new category in action by adding an event to it. Choose the date on which you want to add the event by clicking on it. A small window will pop up with basic event options, but for more detailed settings, click on More Options. In the event creation page next to My Calendars, you'll see an option to choose the calendar where the event will be placed. Click on that drop-down menu and you'll find your newly created category listed there. Select it to assign your event to this category. Don't forget to fill in the details of your event, such as the time, description, and any other necessary information. Once you've double-checked everything, click Save to add the event to your new calendar category, and just like that, you've successfully integrated a custom category into your Google Calendar, making it easier to tailor your schedule to your specific needs and preferences. Now enjoy a more structured and easily navigable calendar experience.